Hi there, welcome to the channel. It's that magical time of the year. Christmas and New Year are just around the corner, and we are all about making our home festive and cozy. But here's a thought, instead of buying new decorations this year, why not create something meaningful and unique? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your old clothes into stunning holiday decor. Imagine this, your Christmas ornaments becoming a conversation starter at your holiday party. Your guests will admire not just your creativity but also your conscious choices. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get crafting. Before we dive in, let's talk about why upcycling is a game changer. It's sustainable, no waste, no guilt. It's personal, each piece tells a story. And it's stylish, your decor reflects your values and personality. This holiday season, let's create decor that's not just beautiful but also meaningful. Let's start with ornaments. Take a old shirt, plaid ones work great like these, and cut out holiday shapes like stars, stockings, or trees. Stitch the edges, stuff them with leftover fabric or cotton, and add a loop. Ta-da! You have got a rustic ornament with a story. Pro tip: use clothes from loved ones for ornaments. It's a wonderful way to keep memories alive. Got an old sweater? Turn it into a cozy cushion. Cut the sweater into two squares, stitch them together, and stuff them with pillow filling. You will get a warm, Christmassy vibe in no time. Use fabric scraps to make a holiday banner. Cut triangles, paint or stitch festive letters, and string them together. Hang it on your wall for an instant festive look. Ditch the paper and wrap your gifts with fabric. It's eco-friendly and chic. Use scarves, old shirts, or fabric scraps for unique wrapping. Bonus, it's reusable. Now, let's talk about the centerpiece of every holiday decor, the Christmas tree. You don't need to buy a traditional one when you can create unique and sustainable variations with what you already have. Here are two upcycled ideas you will love. Option number one, fabric wall Christmas tree. Take fabric scraps in holiday colors, red, green, white, or plaid, and cut them into strips. Arrange them in a tree shape on a wall or board and secure them with pins or tapes. Add fairy lights or small ornaments for extra charm. This one's perfect for small spaces and it's super easy to store for next year. Option number two, book Christmas tree. Got a stack of books lying around? Let's turn them into a tree. Stack them in a pyramid shape, starting with large books at the bottom and tapering up. And add string lights and a star on or ornament on top. Not only does it look stunning, but it's also a great conversation starter. Your guests will love it. I'll leave the making process of these trees in the description box below. A month ago, I handed down our Christmas tree to someone in our community, and it was such a heartwarming experience. Christmas is about spreading joy, and by giving away the tree, I knew another family would create new memories and traditions around it. It's a beautiful way to embrace sustainability, giving the tree a second life rather than letting it go to waste. Add rugs made from patchworked old clothes. Create Santa hats from red and white fabric. Use colorful fabric garlands on your Christmas tree. Simple touches like these make your space warm, festive, and full of personality. Remember, imperfections add charm. Your tree will be one of a kind. And there you have it, your guide to turning old clothes into stunning holiday decor. Not only will your home look amazing, but you will also inspire others to rethink their choices. So, what will you create first? Let me know that in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with friends. It's a season of giving after all. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more DIY inspiration. Let's make this holiday season meaningful and memorable. Happy crafting and happy holidays!